Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Ma'am Anissa Astrid STMPD as our lecturer and all of you that watch this video. My name is Delvina and my partner Inton, Masayu Safira Aulia Vanessa and Nur Laila. We're going to talk about task specification and we will show you the example of task specification table. Okay, let's start from what is task specification. Okay, um, task specification is made before we make the test item. It is in the step of the planning test item construction, and there are some part of test specification. The first one is event and activities. Event and activities is depends on the purpose of the test and usually consists of 4 to 5 activities. And the second one is modes. Modes is the skills to be tested. The skills to be tested, there are 4 skills that can be used to test reading, speaking, writing, and listening. And the third one is channel. Channel is the way how the students answer the test item. Uh, it can be face-to-face, printed material, or online system. And the fourth is topic area. Topic area is mandated the syllabus and curriculum. Okay, and then the last is tasks and formats. Tasks and formats is the kind of test that we're going to make. And then next, this is the example of task specification table. Okay, the first one, there are event and activities. In event and activities, there are determining the topic, finding specific details, predicting the meaning of unknown words, and making inferences. Okay, the next explanation will be explained by my partner Inton.
Okay, my name is Inton. Now we are going to start for table test specification. Start from event and activities, which we have decided there are 4 activities that the student must do in the test. Okay, the first one is determining the topic. Here, accurately determining the topic is the key to the main idea of a paragraph. So, next, the second one is finding specific details, such as names, figures, dates, and other surface level information. Next, the third one is predicting the meaning of unknown words. So, we can using context clues as mean an explicitly talk reading strategy that students use to figure out the meaning of an unknown word. When coming across an unknown word, the student uses other words in the text that are usually in the same sentence or nearby sentences that provide clues to the meaning of the unfamiliar word. These clues may include synonym, antonym, definition, or example. And students can also use clues from meaningful word parts such as the base word, prefix, or suffix. Next, the fourth one is making inferences. It means a comprehension strategy used by proficient readers to read between the lines, make connection, and draw conclusion about the text, meaning, and purpose. So next, in most, the skill that are going to be tested is only reading skills, because from the skill acquired through reading, such as comprehension, reading carefully, fluency, and independence. These skills give students the ability to give clear meaning to the term word on page. So the reading skill is important for students.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay friends, my name is Laila, and in this section I will continue the presentation, and now I'm going to explain you about channel and topic area. Okay, the first is channel. As we know from Delphina's explanation, we can understand that channels is the way how the students answer the test item. So in here I will use Google Forms. Google Forms is a survey administration application that is included in the Google Drive Office suite along with Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slide. So that in Google Forms here we can survey, we can analyze, or we can make a quiz for our students. And now in this Google Forms I will make some quiz for my students. Google Forms is very easy because we don't need to download the application on App Store, because we can open it on browser or Google Chrome. Okay, the first step is open Google Forms on Google Chrome and then click icon plus to make new formulaire. And then give a title in here. For example, I will type assignments 1. Then fill this column with the name of my students. After that, you can click this icon below. Okay, next, click this icon for a new column. And then fill this column with password. I have the purpose why I give a password here, because I will make a password to protect it, so that only my students can open it. Only my students, not all of people or even strangers. If it has done, I will click this icon to page break. Then finally, I can add the title here and make the questions for my students. After that, I will click send. Then I will choose this icon. It means that copy the link, because I will share this link on WA group so that my students can click that link after read the passage and answers my questions on Google Forms very well and easy. Okay, next topic areas. Here there are knowledge and medical, because in this passage there are so many information about medical, and there are so many knowledge that we can get in this passage. In this text tells about Dr. Pau's life and Dr. Pau's medical life, so that this text, the topic areas are knowledge and medical. Okay friends, I think that's all for my explanation today. Thanks for your attention, and the next presentation will be presented by Masayu Safira.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Masayu Safira. I will continue the explanation from Laila. Now I will discuss my topic about tags and formats. The kind of test. In the reading test, we use a test method or approach objectively using multiple choice. Here is the table test specification. The text or format we use now is multiple choice. And next, here is the reading material for our question. And next, this is the example for our question in Google Form. After that, we use via WhatsApp for share our material, our reading material, and also our Google Forms So I give the student 3 questions. With question have a point. First question have 30 points. Second question have 40 points. And third question have 30 points. And we have to wait the student to respond the task. After all the student answer the task, we click the response and we'll see the result of the response by several students and the percent of the student answer. So the number 1, the percent of the answer A is like 4%, and number 2, most of student answer number A, and third, most of student answer D with 6%, and number 2 with 5%. The correct answer is D. Okay, I think that's enough for our presentation. I'm sorry if I have made mistake in this video. And the last say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.